Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing these 7-inch off-road lights from Suparee. And as an added bonus, make sure you watch this entire video because I am going to be giving a set of these away. If you're new here, welcome to the channel and don't forget to subscribe down there. Gotta wait for the planes. Always waiting on the planes. So now let's get a closer look at the lights as well as everything that comes inside the box. So this kit comes with 2 lights as well as all hardware necessary to install. I like as well that once it's mounted you can actually pivot this up or down to change the direction of the lights if you want them to be a little bit higher or pointed further on the ground. Suparee does claim that these are waterproof, that they have a sealed design, as well as they have put a lot of work into designing heat dissipation with all these fins right here on the back of the light. LEDs generate a lot of heat, and there are a lot of LEDs inside these lights. So the way that they designed the back of these is for the best cooling possible to avoid any overheating with the lights. These are made out of a very durable material. They're not plastic, you can tell that they are pretty sturdy. The lens is some kind of plastic, not 100% sure what material. Now with the design of the light itself, we have these 3 LEDs on either side to give that nice kind of flood out. We've got these 8 little LEDs all the way around, and trust me, I've looked at this thing and it is super bright. And then right in the center is a beam light, which is another LED, and it shoots a straight beam. So we have flood, major flood, and a laser beam light that goes out. And I'll go ahead and hook these up in a little bit and show you more about what I'm talking about with the different light modes. You can wire it all together where it's hot all the time and all the light turns on, or you can wire it separate to where you've got the laser and the floodlight completely separate. So if you just want to try to blind somebody with the center light, you can, or if you want to blind them with all of the light, you can. Now they do claim that these are extremely bright, and I will be the judge of that here in just a little bit. But they are saying that these can be 16,000 lumens. And if you know how bright 1 lumen is, think about it as it's 16,000 times brighter than 1 lumen. Now, just to let you guys know, Suparee did reach out to me and ask if they sent me these, would I give them my full and honest review? And as always, my intention is to do just that. Before I agreed, I said, hey, would it be possible to get an additional set to give away to one of my viewers? And they said, absolutely, we'll send you an extra set to give away. So I am going to be definitely giving away a set of these. All you have to do to enter is go down in the link in the description below. It'll be very obvious in the description where that link is. It'll take you to another website that is actually going to be doing the drawing for me. That way it's completely third party. All you have to do is go to that website to enter, but you have to act fast because the last day to enter is October 15th of 2024. After that, we will be picking a winner, and good luck to all of you guys. Now, enough talking about what they are and what they look like. I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how bright they are, but I got to wait a little bit until it gets dark. If you are interested in picking up a pair of these lights for yourself, make sure you use the link down in the description below for 15% off. Now let's go ahead and see how bright they are. It is officially dark outside, so I'm going to hook these up to some power and we will see how bright they actually are. Alexa, turn off the lights. So that there is the entire light completely on. Let's see here. Let's shut it off. That there is just the flood. I really hope you guys can tell just how bright this is. Off, on, off, on. All right, now let's check out the laser feature. And that there is just the little center beam. I mean, like I said, I really hope you guys can tell just how bright this is. Here, let's look across the street over at the Jeep. Now, I know we have the porch light on, but check this out. That is amazingly bright. Now, like I said, this does have a couple of different modes. This is just the laser in the middle. This here is just the flood. Once again, insanely bright. And I do like the little side LEDs here as well. But overall, I'm really impressed with this light so far. And let's check out everything on at once. And right there is everything on, including the center laser. Extremely bright. And hope I didn't blind you too much. Wow, that lights up my entire garage. So I'm going to go ahead and throw these on the Jeep, and then tomorrow in the daylight we'll take a good look at how they look on the Jeep itself. Now me personally, I'm probably not going to wire them up with two different modes just like that. I'm going to wire it all together, that way I have all the light all the time. So before I give the big reveal of how they look on the Jeep, I just wanted to remind you guys once again, don't forget to check out the link down in the description below. We are going to be giving a pair of these away. No purchase necessary, but you gotta act fast because it is going to end mid-October and then you will lose your shot at winning a set of these lights. Or if you can't wait to get your hands on a set of these lights, or it's past the window for the giveaway, make sure you check out the link to these lights down in the description below. And if you use the link below, you will get a 15% off. And now it's time to see how they look on the Jeep. I must say, I really like the way that they turned out. Now, honestly, I wasn't sure if I was going to keep them on the Jeep or not. So I threw them on here and did some temporary wiring just to see how they looked. And honestly, now I got to go back and rewire things because I really love the way they look right here. I was going to save them and put them on the front of something else, but honestly, after having them installed on the front of this Jeep here, after looking at them, after seeing how bright they are, I'm really excited for these, and they are going to live on the front of my Wrangler from now on. Now, I did want to do a little off-road driving at night to show you guys just how bright these were on the trail, but I am having some issues with the Jeep here that I got to get sorted out before I can take it off-road again. And honestly, you can really tell just how bright they are when it lit up my entire garage, as well as shining it across the street. There was a lot of light outside, my big porch light, and you could still definitely tell how bright these were when I shined it across the street. So these lights definitely get a big thumbs up from me. I am always thoroughly impressed by everything I see from Suparee. Make sure you check these out. Also, don't forget, we're going to be giving a set of these away. But that's going to be it for this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. As always, don't forget to subscribe down there. You can check me out on TikTok at It's Project Venture, where I've been posting a lot more lately. You can also check me out on Instagram at It's Project Venture, which I have been neglecting lately. But that's all I got. Thanks for watching. Alright. It is what it is. Man, I got a lot of work to do.